Hello dear students, welcome back to the science class. Dear students, in the previous video class we have completed the second lesson, animals and their adaptations, and I have solved checkpoint number 1 and checkpoint number 2 also. I hope you have written in your science fair book. Dear students, today in this video class I am going to solve the evaluate part of your second lesson. Okay, it is in the page number 224. Okay, open your page number 224. I will solve the evaluate part here, and later I will send the PDF also. So what you have to do, you have to see from the PDF and you have to complete your science fair book. Dear students, evaluate part will be solved till short answers here. Okay, short answers I will write and send in a PDF. So we are going to cancel the long answers from this lesson. So only till short answers you have to complete your fair book. Yes dear students, let us start to solve the evaluate part. So the first heading is objective type questions. So what you have to do here, A part, tick the correct answer. You have to tick the correct answer. Read the question. They have given the 4 options here, and which is the correct one you have to tick here. So let us see the first question. Which of the following helps the fish to steer and balance itself in a water? Option A, unpaired fins. Option B, paired fins. Option C, gills. Option D, tail. What is the question, dear students? Which of the following helps the fish to steer and balance itself in water? How the fish will balance its body? Yes, when I was teaching the lesson I taught you. Okay, the paired fins, the correct answer is paired fins, helps the fish to balance the body in water, to steer and balance itself. Yes, in a water, how the fish will balance its body? With a paired fins. Option B, paired fins is the correct answer. Let us see the second question. Which of the following mammals uses wings for a locomotion? For the locomotion, locomotion is nothing but moving from one place to the another place. So, which of the following mammals uses a wings here? Mammals they have asked, and the mammal will use its wings here. So what is the meaning of mammals? The living thing which gives birth to their young ones, and it will feed it with the milk here. So let us see. Option A, rabbit. Option B, bat. Option C, hedgehog, and option D, blue whale. So the right answer is option B, bat. Yes dear students, have you seen the bat at the night time? It will fly here with its wing. If the bat want to move from one place to another place, it uses its wings here. Remember, it is one of the mammal. Bat is one of the mammal, and the mammal which uses its wings for locomotion is bat here. Bat is having a pair of wings here. So the third question here is, in which season do dragonflies migrate to southern parts of Asia? Yes, this also I told you. In which season does the dragonflies migrate to southern parts? Let us see. Option A, summer. Option B, winter. Option C, spring. Option D, autumn. So the right answer here is during the winter season. Option B, winter season. So option B is the right answer. In the winter season, the dragonflies, it will migrate to the southern part of Asia. Okay. The fourth question. Which of the following birds have a nails at the tip of its beak? Yes dear students, this they have given in your textbook. Okay, in the fact acts. Okay, in that they have given this one. In the page number 224 fact is there. In that they have given here, most birds have nails at the base of their upper beak, but the kiwi is the only bird that has nails at the tip of its beak here. So the right answer here is kiwi. Here they have given option A pigeon, option B parrot, option C peacock, and option D kiwi. So kiwi is the right answer here. It is having a nails at the tip of its beak here. Nails have shown you. Yes, the nails picture have shown you. So the kiwi is having its nails at the tip of its beak here. Let us see the fifth question. The bones of these animals are filled with the air. Yes, as I have told, hollow bones, nothing but that bones are filled with the air here. So the option A, reptiles, option B, amphibians, option C, fish, and option D, birds. Yes, the right answer is birds, because the birds will fly in the air here. So their bones are filled with the air here. They are very light in its weight because their bones are filled with the air here. Okay, I hope you understood these objective type questions. Let us see the B part. Here the B part is match the following. So they have given here some of the insect, birds, snail, sheep, fish. Okay, which will match? To that we have to match here. Insects. Okay, insects are having a spiracles. Remember. Birds. Birds are having what? They are having a nails. Snails. Snails are having a shells here on their body. As snail is a soft body it is having shell on its body. Next one, sheep. Sheep is having fur on its body. Okay, yes, fur. It is filled, covered with the fur here. Fish. Fish body is covered with the scales here. Scales are present on the body of the fish here. So, insects, spiracles, birds, nails, snails, shells, sheep, fur, fish, scales. Okay, these are the match the followings. Let us see the C part here. Read the heading. Circle the correct word. You have to circle the correct word here. Let us see the first one. A tortoise moves with the help of its short limbs or flippers. Tortoise is having a limbs, not a flippers. So the correct answer is limbs. In this manner, you have to circle the correct answer, limbs. As the tortoise are having a short limbs here. With the help of the short limbs, it will move. Okay. Second one. Fish or crocodiles breathe by raising above the surface of a water. Yes, dear students, the crocodiles will make their body above, rise. They will raise their body above and they will breathe here. So the correct answer is crocodiles. Circle the crocodile word here. Crocodiles breathe by rising above the surface of water. Okay, the third one. Frogs or fish breathe by taking water into their mouth, forcing it through gill passages. Yes, gills are nothing but fish only. Okay, fish are having a gills here for breathing purpose. So the correct answer is fish. Circle it. Fourth one. Fish or insects have a streamlined body. Not an insect. Fish are having a what here? Streamlined body. Ostrich or ducks can run very fast. Which animal will run very fast, dear students? Ostriches. Okay, it will run very fast here, not a ducks. Remember. Okay, first one is a short limbs, crocodiles, fish. Here also fish. The next one, ostriches. These are the circle the correct word. Let us see the D part. Give 2 examples of each following. Yes, dear students, they have given here. You have to give 2 examples in this manner. Let us see the first one. Invertebrates. Yes, For invertebrate means what? Invertebrates are nothing but the animals which do not have a backbone. ಯಾವ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬೋನ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇನ್ವರ್ಟಿಬ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟಿಬ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್, ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟಿಬ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್ crab, snail, or you can give any other example also. So here I have chosen crab and snail. These spellings are also very easy. CRAB, crab, SNAIL, snail. So invertebrates, two examples, crab and snail. You can choose any other also, dear students, from your textbook. Okay, mammals with the 4 legs. Dear students, the mammals are nothing but, okay, they will give birth to the young ones and they will feed with the milk here. So who are mammals? Who are having a 4 legs. Human beings are also mammals, but we are having only 2 legs. But here they have asked 4 legs. So horse, have you seen the horse will be having a 4 legs? Yes, horse is one of what it is? Mammal. HORSE, horse. Sheep, yes, even sheep also will be having 4 legs here, and it will give birth to the young ones and it will feed with its milk here to the baby. So SHEEP, sheep. Horse and sheep are the mammals with the 4 legs. Reptiles with the shells. Okay, the reptiles who are having a shells on their body. Yes, snail and tortoises. SNAIL, snail. TORTOISES, tortoises, or turtle also you can write here. The next one, birds that cannot fly. As usual, you know that the birds will fly. Okay, some birds are there which cannot fly. Can you name them? Yes, any 2 example for birds that cannot fly? Penguin and ostrich. Why these birds will not fly, dear students? Can you tell me why these penguin and ostriches cannot fly? Because of their heavy body. Their body weight is more. For that purpose, these will come under birds only. Penguin and ostriches are birds only, but they cannot fly. Why they cannot fly? Because of their heavy body. Their body is more here. For that purpose, these birds, penguin and ostrich, will not fly. Remember. Okay. Animals that have a fur on their body. Yes, fur on the body. Yes, sheep and polar bear. They are having a fur on their body. Nothing but like a hairs. Sheep. SHEEP, sheep. POLAR, polar. BEAR, bear. Polar bear. Yes, dear students, what we have solved now? Examples of the following we have solved. Dear students, here they have given 6 short answers. What I will do? I will write the answers for these 6 questions, okay? And I will send you it in a PDF. This everything, checkpoint, evaluate part and short answers. Okay, this lesson, long answers, I will cancel. Okay, don't write long answers of this lesson. Only till short answers, I will send the PDF also. Okay, once you listen this video and the PDF, till short answers, I will send the PDF. Short answers, I will write by my hand and I will send you in a PDF. Remember. And till short answers, you have to complete your fair book. And this lesson is there for your PA1 test. So till short answers you complete your fair book. The first lesson and second lesson you start preparing. So write this solved evaluate part in your science fair book neatly. Short answers I will write and send it in a PDF. Yes, dear students, in the next video class again we'll start with a new lesson. Till that, have a nice day. Thank you.